Are you ready to unleash pure power on the trails? Introducing the Haibike HYBE 11, the ultimate electric mountain bike built for thrill-seeking riders like you. Let's dive into its impressive specifications. Powered by the reliable Bosch Performance Line CX-R motor, producing a staggering 85 Nm of torque, this beast is capable of taking your rides to new heights. And with a long-lasting Bosch Powertube battery offering 750 watt-hours, you can tackle any challenge without worrying about running out of juice. The HYBE 11 features a top-notch Fox 38 factory 170mm fork and a Fox Float X factory 160mm rear shock, both equipped with the luxurious Kashima coating. The result? Unmatched adjustability and maximum comfort on any terrain. To keep your speed in check, we have included the powerful Magura MT5 4-piston brakes, coupled with 200/200mm rotors. Say goodbye to worries about stopping power during intense race stages. With a wireless SRAM GX Eagle AXS 1x12 drivetrain, you can shift seamlessly through the gears, ensuring smooth and efficient pedaling. Although not the new transmission T-Type GX groupset, this drivetrain will still provide excellent performance. We've also considered your comfort and convenience. The Haibike Dropper Post, with varying lengths for different frame sizes, allows you to adjust your saddle height on the go, giving you the optimal riding position. However, for long-legged riders, the Dropper Post may feel a bit short compared to current standards. The HYBE 11 comes equipped with Mavic ED-Max 29/27.5 wheels, but if you're a serious racer, we recommend upgrading the tires for maximum grip and durability. The tires come with the Maxxis Minion DHF and DHR, which offer good performance but may need some enhancements for aggressive racing. To summarize, the Haibike HYBE 11 is a formidable electric mountain bike, tailored for ambitious riders seeking thrill and performance. It's packed with advanced features like the premium Fox factory suspension, Magura MT5 brakes, and the SRAM GX Eagle AXS drivetrain. While there are some areas where Haibike has cut corners, such as the SRAM SX Eagle chain, this bike still delivers an incredible ride experience. Thank you for watching our Haibike HYBE 11 review and performance analysis. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content like this. Happy riding!